Welcome to Get Your FRQ On. This question is from 2025. It's question 2, and it is calculator active. In the question stem, we've got two functions, f and g, in the coordinate plane, and they form a region R in between the 2 points where they intersect. In part A of this question, we are asked to find the area of the region R and to show the setup that leads to our answer. The area of this region R can be found with the definite integral. The integral from 0 to 3 of g of x minus f of x dx, which is going to be the integral from 0 to 3 of x plus sine pi of x plus x squared minus 2x dx. And since this is a calculator active question, we can use our calculator to evaluate the integral. The integral from 0 to 3 of g of x minus f of x dx is the integral from 0 to 3 of x plus sine pi of x plus x squared minus 2x dx, which is 5.137. So the area of region R is 5.137. In part B of this question, we are given that R is the base of a solid, and at any value of x, the area of a cross-section perpendicular to the x-axis is a rectangle whose height is x and whose base is in the region R. We are asked to find the volume of that solid and to show the setup. The volume of that solid can be found with the definite integral. V equals the integral from 0 to 3 of x times the quantity g of x minus f of x dx, which is the integral from 0 to 3 of x times the quantity x plus sine of pi x minus x squared minus 2x dx. And since this is a calculator active question, we will use our calculator to evaluate that integral. The integral from 0 to 3 of x times the quantity g of x minus f of x is 7.705. So the volume of the desired solid is 7.705. In part C of this question, we are asked to write an integral expression for the volume of the solid when R is rotated around the line y equals -2. We are told not to evaluate the integral. That volume is given by the expression pi times the integral from 0 to 3 of the quantity g of x plus 2 squared minus the quantity f of x plus 2 squared dx. In part D of this question, we are given that g prime of x is 1 plus pi times cosine of pi x. We are asked to find a value of x between 0 and 1, where the tangent line of f is parallel to the tangent line of g. First, we find f prime of x. F prime of x is 2x minus 2. Next, we just need to solve the equation 1 plus pi cosine pi x equals 2x minus 2. And since this is a calculator active question, we'll use our calculator. 1 plus pi cosine pi x equals 2x minus 2 implies that x is 0.676. If you like the AP Calculus free response question solutions and want more of them, don't forget to like the videos, subscribe to the channel, and you can also find me on X at x.com/getyourfrqon.